Hi everyone, my name is Rahim and today we're going to take a quick look at Backup Radar. With Backup Radar, we take the time-consuming tasks of monitoring all your clients' backups and automating the process. Some of the features are one centralized dashboard, automatic ticketing, and scheduled reports. With Backup Radar, we integrate with 300 different backup applications, displaying all your backup results in one dashboard. In your dashboard, you'll get insights to your successes, warnings, failures, and something we like to call no results. More on that a bit later. With automatic ticketing, or what we like to call intelligent ticketing, we can open, auto-append, and close your tickets. You can also schedule reports to be emailed on a daily, weekly, or monthly basis to engage your clients. Now let's talk more about the no results. These are the jobs that got hung or stalled for whatever reason and never completed a successful backup, which would not trigger a failure or a success notification. With Backup Radar, we will notify you with the no result on jobs that were expected to report in but did not on a scheduled cadence. Backup Radar takes the manual work of monitoring your backups and automating, making the team more efficient and giving them the gift of time.